In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force a FaceTime pickup. Whether you're using FaceTime for important calls with colleagues, friends, or family, sometimes picking up a FaceTime call doesn't go as smoothly as we'd like. Let's walk through some steps to ensure you never miss another important FaceTime call, even when things aren't quite working right. First off, let's start with the basics. The usual way to answer a FaceTime call: when your phone rings, simply tap the green answer button. This should ideally connect you to the call instantly. However, sometimes this isn't as straightforward as it seems, especially if your device is being a little stubborn. If tapping the button isn't working, let's try something else. You can also swipe to answer. When your phone rings, you might see the option to swipe from left to right on your lock screen. This simple swipe can often override any glitches that stop you from picking up a call in the usual way. If you're still unable to connect, it might be time for some troubleshooting. Phones can freeze or become unresponsive, and this can impact your ability to pick up any calls, including FaceTime. If your phone seems frozen, you might need to force restart your device. For iPhone techs or later models, you can do this by pressing and holding both the power and volume buttons until you see the Apple logo. For earlier iPhone models, simply hold down the power button until the logo appears. This process can help refresh your phone and make it responsive again. Moving on, if you've tried these steps and still face issues, there may be some settings to look into. Begin by checking the FaceTime settings, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select FaceTime. Make sure FaceTime is enabled and configured correctly with your Apple ID. This ensures that FaceTime knows who you are and can connect you properly to incoming calls. Another common issue that may interfere with FaceTime calls is the Do Not Disturb feature. When enabled, this setting can prevent your calls from coming through. To disable it, go to Settings and select Do Not Disturb, or use your control center to quickly turn it off. Once disabled, your call should come through without a hitch. With these steps, you should be able to tackle most issues that prevent successful FaceTime pickups. Whether you're swiping on the lock screen, restarting your phone, adjusting your settings, or ensuring Do Not Disturb is off, these techniques will help you confidently answer FaceTime calls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.